Hello everyone! Today we'll be making a recycled pencil holder. So first, you need colored paper or magazine, but today we'll be using foam sheets. Second, you need a circular cardboard, and you also need some tape and ruler, also a marker, and any kinds of plastic bottle. But today I'll be using the vitamins of my mom. But today I'm not gonna be cutting the bottle since it already has a big hole in it. And we need some decorations like this and glue. And make sure to ask permission when using glue, since it can electrocute you and also burn you since it's very hot. And scissors. Also, ask permission to use this since you might get cut since it's very sharp. Come on, let's begin making the pencil holder. Here's, you want to cut this outline that you draw. Something like I'm gonna put some decorations like this. I'm finally done with my pencil holder. Let's start using it.